at this guy's place, boys. He's got all type of...
We got a freaking turkey reserve.
Yeah. All types of the wildlife running around, frantic, some terrible. Oh, yeah. That's awesome. Little lizards and stuff. Nice little old lady working at the desk there. Oh, me them same. Lake tower, me them same. Look at the lake they got with little islands onto it and stuff. All the loaders, holy suffer. All the drainage stones. Wow. Wow, the big deuce hand loader. Oh my god. Oh my god. Perfect. Oh. I gotta start selling stones, boys. $174.21. Good lord. Some quality craftsmanship right here, boys. That is definitely what you want to do.
Isn't it? Oh.
Wow, that's what I would do.
Yeah.
I wonder why. I can't figure out how none of this worked and why we're digging all this up in the basement.
Yeah. I don't know either.
Like you got these giant cracks in the wall where you can stick your hand in, and then you drain all the downspouts into just the ground by the basement wall, and then yeah, this is 100% like that. This basement leaking and wrecking this brand new floor. 100% the dicks that did this is fault.
Yeah.
Like, I mean, there's just like he thought it was good, so he did this floor and all this shit, and it wasn't good. The day after he got it, the floors and everything done, leaked. Like, yeah. When I don't know, when I get down there, I'll show you the freaking cracks. Look at the freaking cracks in the wall. They fixed it there where you could see it, right? Oh, we'll fix it there where you could see it, but right on the other side of that guy, where it's underground, just leave it.
Yeah.
Hack goofs.
That's okay.
Yeah, we fixed, but still, like, you already had this open, though. That's that's the thing.
Yeah. Could have just done it right, and we wouldn't be here. But
now I got to give Buddy confidence checks because, you know, of other guys.
Yeah.
You know, and I get it, because look at the shit that, you know, roofs, floors, driveways, you know, you name it. I've hired the, you know, what you think is a good guy and ends up being a total goof, but yeah, so anyways, wow.
Yeah, but we ain't goofs.
Well, probably goofs, but we're not gonna go to your house and just fuck up your shit and call it good, that's for sure. Sneak by you. You want to go bum to bum, dink to dink, dink to bum? Oh, that was close. Chris D. You ever got sparklers in your ear?
Sparklers in my ear? No. I don't think I do. I mean, I'm getting enough like tinnitus from it, so.
Yeah, right? Well, I feel like an archaeologist uncovering different types of artifacts and shit. I'm gonna dig it out more so I don't have to keep getting up and down the ladder, but I'll show you sooner or later here. There's plastic bags or saran wrap or something. They got concrete bag like this. I don't know. Wow. I cannot believe my mind.
It's all the bags, man. They're all fucking stuck together and shit.
You need to like shove something under there, like a mud ball or something, so that it can prop it up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a pile going under there, so when I set it down, it stays up.
Yeah, should be good.
Good?
Yep. Yeah. Slow it down. Yeah. You should be able to pull it now. Oh yeah, she's coming. A little bit. Yep, you're good, you're good. You go back. Yeah.
Not too bad.
You gotta go, it's about this much still on top like the gravel, but not too bad.
Let's check out the workmanship, boys. Hey, it's 7 feet in the ground. They'll never see it. Hey, they're not looking. Hey, nobody's looking. What the f, man? So they thought it was going to be cool to put like the old saran wrap off a pallet of, you know, it's even still got the friggin' UPAS friggin' label onto it. Okay? We could probably find out what product was wrapped in the saran wrap. Yeah, and then what they do, they just, that's how they tie it in. They just wrap that around the guy, pile concrete onto her. There you go, bud. Wow. That's one way of doing it, I guess. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna chip out the cracks, fill the cracks with friggin' hydraulic cement. Hydraulic cement.
Cement.
Yeah.
Semen.
Cement. Felons just hauling concrete bags out of the hole there. That's definitely where you want to put those. Yeah, that's like beyond where the vent thing was too, right? So they're just like filling the whole bottom of the hole with all their garbage, and there you go, bud. 3 weeks ago, he said. Three weeks ago, he got this done. So that is pretty cool.
Yeah. It's not like this is the old school. Well, maybe it is. Like maybe his grandpa taught him how to do this or something. And just like, this is good enough for my house.
Good enough for Edward. That helps with drainage, though, right? Like a sopping wet friggin' concrete bag. That helps with drainage, for sure.
Oh yeah. You want it to be wet, right?
So that's the thing, though. You got to do work to where if they can dig up your work, they're not finding this.
Yeah.
You know, because this is man.
Yeah.
You know? Like, and even that other one, that's got to come out. That can't stay in there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, we're trying to fix it, thinking like, well, there's a potential of them of tying it in or something, so we'll figure it out. But no, false alarm.
Yeah, I apologize. Just when we thought. Couldn't get any worse.
Looks like they've poked a hole in the sock or the tube, or I don't know. They've poked a hole in something. Oh, no, they've just punched a hole. That's a hole right in the pipe. I thought it was just a hole in like the sock around the pipe, but I don't think the pipe has any sock on it. I mean, sock's nonsense anyway, but we'll show you how to do it. And it isn't like this. What the f? Maybe that's why it's 2 layers over there, is because they hacked a big hole in it, so they had to sister on. They just wrapped around a pipe that they can cobble their horse shit into. But yeah, this is pretty f***ing sweet, boys. Let me tell you a little story about how sweet this is for a minute.
Yeah.
Check this out though. Got this out of my cycle bin, the garbage, and it was like, took it apart and like there was just like a stuck something or something. One of the brushes was stuck in there, loosened it off, oiled her up. Got a chisel for $30 or $20 or something. Put a new cord onto her. She friggin' worked to it, boys. Making monies.
Is that really where that came from?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
I thought you just like had that in your in the shop and just chilling.
Well, it was because I didn't have a bit for it, right?
Okay.
You know, I got it working, but then it's I didn't have a bit, so I never used it. But then I went on Amazon because it's a 3/4 inch, but it's got the notch into it, right?
Yeah.
So there's all type of different ones.
It's not like the regular jackhammer. And
We just packed concrete bags around the pipe.
Yeah.
That was just stuffed down in the pipe, and you know, wow, that's great. Well, at least you don't have to dig rocks out from around it. I
I
guess.
suppose.
Like that one over there, they've just shredded to smithereens. So I gotta like, oh my god, I gotta fucking cut a section out. And, oh wow. I mean, it's just so much more work when you got somebody monkeying around in a hole. You know what I mean? And we did this, and then they did their thing.
Yeah.
But, you know, I don't know, man.
Oh, caterpillar.
Oh my god. These stupid little white ones keep going in the hole. These ones don't know very much stuff about staying out of the hole. Holy shit, there's fucking massive stomach shits over here, big time. Look at that. Oh, now one's yuck. Crusty. Oh, but we're pretty well there. We just gotta chisel out the last 2 cracks. Get the dusty fellows off of the guy. I mean, that's what we should focus on now, because like, I mean, once we power wash it, we're still gonna have to monkey around in the bottom of the trench, right? Clean it up a bit and shit. So we should, you know,
You just want me to brush it down.
yeah, just give it a brush or whatever, you know. Don't.
Like this side of the window well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I think that's pretty well where I ended up, or well, I think it was that corner actually.
Okay.
check this out, you guys. This is definitely against my probation. Like, there's no question. Eh? Should I be allowed 100 feet from this? Nope. Nope. Sorry if you thought that. Yeah, boys. Yeah, boys. Don't stand near me, fella. I'm crazy. Don't stand anywhere near me when I got this, okay?
Is it possible to fall in love with a wall?
I know, right?
Confidence check.
Aye.
Confidence side, good.
Chipmunks are fighting.
I'm trapped. Should get some pictures down here, though. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Nice basement wall here. Oh, there. Look at that.